Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the FX4 off-road package, and the trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that nice tow hitch, rear park sensing, the nice Ranger logo with a backup camera. We do have a nice black gripped running board with blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we do have a block heater and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space. We also have a nice storage cubby there, USB and USB-C and 120 volt. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, this does fold down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. And you do get under seat storage as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do have manual seats, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front with powered mirrors, as well as you get your lights on this side and these cool new looking fans. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 10 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. We have your toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at your main screen here, we do have My View, Trip and Fuel, Off-Road, Towing, Audio, Phone, Navigation, Settings, and Vehicle Maintenance. To my right, we have our Gear Select, as well as Speed Adjusters, Cup Holders, Parking Brake, Traction Auto Hold, and your Trail Control. You have 4-wheel drive and drive modes. We have a wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, and a nice little fry slot. Leather wrap center console with tons of storage with a 12 volt. Got your main HVAC controls, volume, hazards, all that fun stuff. You got a nice little storage cubby here, storage below. And looking at our main screen here, we have a new infotainment system. You got your audio. We got SiriusXM capabilities. You got your phone, navigation, music, your tow and haul mode. You got your vehicle settings, controlled, auto hold, off-road settings, all that fun stuff. Your backup camera, and your climate controls just at the bottom here. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE51545, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.